We always do test installation for all the furniture we do. In our company, every project is custom made, every project is special, so we always do a test installation.
First of all, to make sure the QC, the quality is to par, that all the alignments of the doors, drawers, and so on and so forth is perfect. We do all the proper adjustments, so all the details, adjustments, errors are corrected within our factory.
It's time consuming, it's expensive, but we have to do it. It's very important for our company to make sure product, furnitures are perfect the way they're supposed to be before they leave the factory.
As you see, we have temporary walls where we can screw, we can hook, we can do all we need to do to test install all of those cabinets as it should be in the client's apartment or house.
Many other companies won't do it just because they do mass production, just because they don't want to do the investment for it.
It costs money, it takes time.
But in our company, we always do test installation.